Woo! How we doing, chat? Hello, hello, hello. Good morning. Good morning. I forgot the carving. One moment. Woo! Okay. Kia ora whānau. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are thou? How are we dearin'? How are we dearin'? Good to see you. Good to see everybody. Woo! Love me the Assassin's Creed theme, man. Woo! Alright, today we're going to be doing some more of the face. That's all we're going to be doing today. Not so much a long stream today because it is school holidays, but we will get a carving stream in nonetheless, okay? And yeah, we're trying to figure out what to do with the kids today. I'm probably going to try and take them to Super Mario today. Not for them, for me, okay? Yeah, I'm probably going to take the kids to Super Mario so I can watch it. Yeah, your boy wants to watch it more, I say that much. But I hope everyone's doing good, man. Everyone's doing good. Small tummy ache. How's your Easter? Pretty chill. It was a pretty chill one. Like, we didn't get up to anything crazy. Like Easter eggs and all that rubbish. Didn't give them too much. What else? You didn't give them too much this year. Just one egg each and just a few little ones. Cheerio, brother Luke. Is it cold where you are? You have no idea. I don't know where my vest is. Yo, thank you for the 54 months, my bro. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Hope you've been good too, my bro. Straight up. Hope you've been well and looking after yourself over there, my bro. Okay, what do I need? I need a pencil. Right, let's point you down to the good, eh? I couldn't talk my kids into Mario. What's Project That? What's that movie? But I'm just saying, I'm more excited than them because they don't know how much I'm excited to see Fox McCloud, bro. I was like, you have no idea. I played Star Fox back before you were even swimming. So, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hanging in there. Done with a lot of stuff we've been dealing with in the past few months. Done alright. Oh, no man, my bro. Yeah, Fox McCloud is in it. You know what that means, eh? Nintendo crossover movie. So we're hoping for Smash Bros in the future. I was a shit Fox McCloud player, I won't lie. Yeah, like shit as. I was always shit with the light fast characters. Hope you and the family, they're doing good, my bro. Baby is 1 this month, my bro. Yeah, so it's her month this month. Where has the time gone? Fine. I don't know either. But yeah, my bro, she's gonna be 1. 1 years old, my bro. So we're just trying to, yeah, bro, 1 already. Seeing Sora in the movie would be sick. There's a few cameos from other Smash Bros characters or like Smash Bros fighters, but I don't wanna spoil it for you guys. I only say Fox McCloud because he was posted by the actual page. But yeah, I don't want to spoil anything else for you guys, just in case you're just as much of a fan as I. I actually miss playing Smash Bros though, I won't lie. I haven't even set up my Switch 2 yet. To any of the Switch 2 owners, does it come with that home hub thing? You know, the one that you can plug into the TV? Or is that or are they doing a bit of an Apple these days and selling it separately? Biggest scam ever by Apple. Buy the phone, but you gotta buy the charger separately. Scam-a-llama ding dong, bro. Scummy Kirby main? I just liked Incineroar because wrestling, eh? The bro Luke in the chat used to smoke us with Captain Falco and Ganondorf. Or Ganondorf. Noble! Thank you very much for gifting us sub, good sir. How have you been? How have you been, good sir? How have you been? It is also our 6-year anniversary on Twitch this month as well, chat. Believe it or not, it is on baby's birthday. So yes, she stole my heart and she stole my streaming anniversary day as well. So that feels good. Just saying here from Nova Scotia, Canada. True, bro. Jeez, it'll be getting warm over there, eh? Well, I would assume it would be, because we're getting cold over here. Haven't jammed the new Smash yet. Haven't enough mates on Switch. Yeah. We used to have a Smash community nights. I'm getting there. That's all you can ask for, my brother. Just go at your own pace. One of my mates lives in Canada, but she hardly ever streams now. I hope she's doing okay. Kind of miss seeing her in GTA RP. Oh geez, which way is our grain going? Oh, it's going up, isn't it? That's disgusting. Okay. Yeah, so shout out to Nintendo ANZ. They sent me a Switch 2. And yeah, I haven't really gotten around to doing the video for them yet because I've been so busy. I got that in Metroid. But they gave me the latest Pokemon game too. So I should really try it out. Greetings from Brazil. Hello, good sir. How are you, Billinario? God bless you, brother. What's up, brother William? Amazing work. Thank you for sharing with us. Always, my bro. No, not Pokopia. The one with the mega chestnut, and it looks absolutely amazing. Looks like a king. That one, not the Pokopia. Also, Chad, we got a bit of a sponsored stream from Stream Elements. I will most likely do it because, you know, it doesn't hurt to do a sponsored stream. It's a Minecraft one. So I gotta play Minecraft for an hour. So as a Twitch partner, sometimes you will get like sponsored opportunities through the Twitch app. Yeah, sometimes they'll come through, and I'm gonna take it. It's $150. It's $150 just to play Minecraft for an hour, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. And always grateful for those little things that come my way. So we'll jam 150. I think it's USD. So it's probably gonna be a bit more. Oh shit! I need to use a different. Yeah, I just saw it. So I just got a notification on my Twitch thingy, and it said like you have new sponsorship opportunities. And I just checked it out, and yeah, Minecraft was on there, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Doesn't hurt to get a little extra something else, I'd say. Okay, where's our pencil? Yeah, bro, I can do that stream and then hopefully get some food shopping. Cause me and my wife kinda we plan out our trips nowadays for obvious reasons because the fuel prices. So we kind of plan out what we're gonna do. I'm really keen to take the kids to a big theatre to watch Super Mario with the recliner chairs, because we don't do that, eh? So I put some money aside just for gas. And then we can go to the big theatre like 45 minutes away and yeah, make some more memories. But yeah, keep in mind that I'm doing it for me too, because I like Super Mario. Greetings from Utah. How's it all the way in Utah, my bro? That's too... Hang on. Let me go and get our other HTKA so we've got a reference on the side. Sorry, Chet just had to scare my child because I'm a father. Does Rodas have more than one cinema? Just the one, but the other closest one is in Tauranga at the crossing. And the crossing is fairly close to Rotorua. It's like a 45-minute drive. We go to Pack and Save just because it's a bit cheaper. Sometimes they'll have those weekly deals and we'll go to Pack and Save just to go and check them out. But I'm on the lookout for some wood pellets too, so we can start doing our garden, Chet. And obviously our landlord said we can't, you know, have an actual garden, so we're just gonna make a wood pellet one. I want to do some microgreens. I don't know, I just like my sprouts with my mince. I just mulch it up. I love that, eh? And I want to grow some taro. Taro and sweet potato, or kumara as we call it. So there's two different types of kumara here. The common one being the orange one. I prefer the orange one more, and the one our ancestors had on the voyage, which is the yellow one. Now there's kōrero or talks there, like throughout the voyages that our ancestors did, they traded the kumara in Rapanui or Easter Island by by Argentina there, and there's kōrero that we also got kumara from South America. Same way you do with the potatoes works mean. Oh yeah bro, I want to do some taroi and just start because you know I'm a fan of my island kai and I like palusami, and I mean it's a win-win, eh? Very versatile kai. I know my daughters won't like it just yet, but our second daughter will, because she's not fussy. She's a bit like me with her eating pellet. We'll just eat it. Also, chat, I'm working on some golfing content, eh? The come up is what I'm going to call it. Because I'm still learning. I am still learning, guys. So I'm going to start at the driving range. I now understand the how awesome golf is. Hey, what's up, imposter? How you, my brother? Anyone in Aotearoa know where to get some good cards too? What's the So I've been looking around, and like I don't really follow Pokemon TCG that much. Now I need to ask what's the latest one everyone's going for? I know everyone's chasing a Charizard from one of the latest packs, but I don't know what their latest pack is called. Does anyone know? The only chase card that I have in my mind as of right now is that Dark Magician, bro. Holy. That Rivals and Heroes set, I really want to get some of those. But I think I don't know where to get them, eh? Because obviously they're not selling in the country yet, so I'm assuming everyone gets them from Japan. In perfect order, so they, yeah, so if you don't know, bro, there's this new Yu-Gi-Oh set that come out, it's called Heroes and Rivals, and brother, I'll put it this way, I love Dark Magician, bro, he's my favorite monster from the actual card game itself. Even Dark Paladin and all the other variants, so I'm just trying to get in range of the Wi-Fi so I can show you guys. Bro, we get a new modem from the internet provider and I feel like our internet just got shitter. Kmart, oh yeah, true, Kmart. Vagabond Games. Oh, cheers, Yuffie. Do you know if anyone in the country has some of these new Yu-Gi-Oh sets available, my bro? Not the classic, not the vintage classic ones that have released as well, but the heroes and bro, can you jump on a Discord and post that up too? Knowing my goldfish ass, I'm gonna forget. That's why I have a goldfish emote, specifically for me. Down in Palmiers, I'll see. Hey, thank you, my bro. Yeah, let me know, brother. Thank you. There is some in the Warewhare, but they're hard to find and they're in lockboxes. Oh, yeah. I think, yeah, the lockboxes are by the counter, but they only got those vintage ones. I want to buy some boxes to do some breaks for our 6-year anniversary. But also, I want to get some packs to do break content as well. Because, well, I had an idea, you know? But the way I want to do breaks might be a little bit different to everyone else. Because it involves being outside. involves me being outside. I miss when Rotas had a TCG spot. Yes, bro. Same, man. Nice work. Thank you, my bro. Keep in mind, I started doing Whakairo when I was 12, okay? This is what I love to do. This is, you know, found my calling in life at a young age. Before I even started doing Whakairo, however, I wanted to be a zookeeper. Yeah, I wanted to be a zookeeper. But more specifically, red pandas was something I wanted to look after. Oh, there's a couple animals really, but yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to get closer to the Wi-Fi so I can show you. Hang on, check. Yeah, I don't know what it is, man, but... Chew, Ed! Yeah, chew, my bro. I mean, I could just Google it and send you the link, eh? Holy shit, I'm actually boosted. Hope you've been well, my bro. I know you've been MIA for a bit, but hope you've been looking after yourself. Yo, Dana TV, thank you very, very much for the raid. Thank you, kind sir. Hope you had a wonderful and beautiful stream. How are you and how's your community? How long is that pencil? Longer than me? Nah. Sorry, bro. I always gotta put a smart ass something in there. Welcome to the stream, brother. I can be quite cheeky. Yeah, I'll be honest, bro. I genuinely don't know. I'll be honest. You're probably gonna. This probably be the last time you see this pencil, bro. I lose pencils more than any human being on this planet. I lost about 15, 16 last year. Yeah. Hey, Donna. How you doing? How was your stream? Hello. What were you up to? Oh dear. Okay, hang on. We are going against the grain. Alright? Going against. Here we go. My bro was doing a bit of spring cleaning in his house and he found his GameCube and N64. I was jealous. Are you Maori? Yes, I am, good sir. Hello. Tēnā koe. Kei te pēhea koe. He Maori aho. I am decorating eggs. Wait, do you do like small intricate designs on the shell? Or like... Okay, I gotta check this out. You piqued my curiosity. Hey, Pink Panther. Oh, that toast on your intro video looks nice. I don't drink margaritas, but those look nice too. Dropped you a follow. I'm more of a Guinness man myself. Every time I see you live, I hear you don't have some. Hey, how you doing, Liani? Like, I'll be honest, you know, I am more open to subs these days. I'm glad I didn't change in the lockdown, because a lot of people were telling me encourage subs now, and I didn't want to because it felt wrong. And I'm glad I didn't change for others. All kind of. Oh, okay. Interesting. Okay, I'm interested to see what you get up to. I'll definitely try and join one of your streams then. Thank you very much, Emmy, for the biddies. Thank you. Okay, we got a lot of timber in here, okay? A lot of timber there. So, we're going to need an 8 or a round. I just had it before, but I don't know where I put it. Okay, so we're going to put it there. So we are going against the grain a little bit, but we'll just take it as we go. Take it as we go, Whānau. I wonder how the TikTok lives will be out here then, since the Wi-Fi is a bit shoddy. I may have just gone a bit too deep, but luckily we can change it on the other side too. Okay. Alright, now we're going to do this mouth here. So one thing we gotta kind of navigate now is making sure we keep that round in the mouth. I have taken a bit too much off in this section here, but we can take it off on that side so it doesn't really matter. Oh. But thank you very much for the raid again, Dana. Or Dana, sorry. Appreciate you coming around. So yeah, I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. I've been doing this since the age of 12. So initially that's pretty much when I started Whakairo. And now I'm 34. Is this a commission? Yes, this is a commission. Which reminds me, I do have another commission that I got asked from one of my mates from high school. So we did draw it last night on stream, just a quick MS Paint one. But still to this day, MS Paint is hard to use, man. Especially for me. So one of my good mates from high school, he one of our other mates hit me up actually. He saw me at a school event that both our kids attend, and he asked me for my number. And he told me the bro's been looking for me. And yeah, we kind of went over it last night. So I can draw it up quickly if you want. Big love, stay safe. Hey, much love, Brother White. Hey, you look after yourself too, not just me. You too, brother. Just clean this up a little bit. Hello, hey, long time to see you. I've been away for almost 2 to 3 years. I'd love to see good vibes and handcrafting streams, dude. Love from Spain. Hey, what's up, brother? Nah, I hope you've been good though, you know. Even though you haven't been around, hope you've still been looking after yourself, my brother. Good to see you again, man. I should really change the song, eh? We've been Assassin's Creed Black Flag Pirates a couple times now. So our grain is going down, okay? So just got to keep that in mind. That's the one thing about pine, man. It's drier than a dad joke, bro. Or it can be majority of the time. Alrighty. Just want to make sure that we have that brow there as well. It's just a marker, eh, to keep. Yeah, really awesome. Oh, I'm okay, brother. I'll never claim that I'm awesome, my bro. As long as you guys are happy here, alright? A lot of people I know who would carve pine used to soak her with oil. Yeah, oil or terps, my bro. I would use my oil, but with the way the world is now, I'm kind of holding on to it just so I don't have to buy another one anytime soon. This is linseed oil, by the way. You probably asked what question over and over, but how are you choosing a wood? Is there a specific... not really. I just choose what I have in the shed, my bro. Like, I have a supply of timber, and I just look at them and just see what would fit for the current project we're doing. I've got a slab, I've got offcuts. I keep every bit of timber I have. Even a waste engine on it. Rewind! Thank you for the 100 biddies, my bro. Hello, good Claire. Hello. Man, I've really been enjoying watching Peanut and them play Rust, man. It's been funny. Okay, so we're going against the grain. Let's try going on an angle. There it is. One moment, we just have to readjust the So, and another question or another answer for you too, Kyo. So sometimes, say for example, someone wants me to carve a ceremonial weapon. So I wouldn't necessarily, you know, say, what do I have in the shed? I'll use that pine. I'd look for a hard timber. So this is a hard timber here, this mallet. So this is Rata, R-A-T-A is how you spell it. And that's kind of like the timber that I'd look for. If I don't have any, normally where I'd go is to a wood recycling centre here. So they take down a lot of the heritage buildings here. And a lot of them are all made out of pure native timber. Have you considered streaming Ark? I have, but I'll be honest, Ark Raiders is not fun alone. Yeah. So that's kind of how I got turned off Ark Raiders pretty fast, is just jamming on my own pretty much. And yeah, I stopped playing it. Although, yeah, I would love to play a lot of games with some mates, if anyone's keen. Pretty much want to just play community games. Just jam with the community, whether it be whatever game we play. The only game that I'm currently trying to play on my own right now is League of Legends. The only reason why is because my favorite character is getting a victorious skin, and that's the ranked skin, and I really want to get that, and then I'll stop playing ranked fully. You got to get gold or above, I think. So yeah, one of my to those League of Legends players that are watching, my favorite character is Brom. Brom, Volibear, Ornn. Who else? Brom, Volibear, Ornn. Who else? Trundle's another one. Aurelia. Who else? Who else have I been jamming hard out? And Rammus. I've been jamming Rammus quite a lot too. So yeah, if I don't know if anyone's keen to play Arc Raiders as a community, just let me know in the Discord or just spam ones in the chat, because I don't want to play Arc Raiders on my own. That's boring. I want to be a charismatic with you guys. Hello from Massachusetts. How's everything in Massachusetts, my bro? Jeez, it must be late over there, eh? I won't lie, I had a lot of fun when I was in America. I was watching this video because I was in Vegas. I went to TwitchCon in Vegas, right? And this video came up in my YouTube recommended last night. And it's like called the Mole People of Vegas, and it's like a big community that lives in all the tunnels in Las Vegas, bro. It's crazy. Crazy, bro. Hello from Pomona, California. Pomona. True. I play with my 13-year-old and have so much fun. True, bro. I'll be honest, bro. The one thing I like about Arc Raiders is the proximity chat. Like when we were first playing it, we didn't know that the proximity chat lets you choose between 3 male voices and 3 ladies and your own. And I didn't know that I chose a female voice. And yeah, I was jamming away, and then someone like called out to me, and I went, "Oh, hi," and they went, hey girl, how you doing?" I was like, "What the fuck do you mean, hey girl?" He's like, "You have a girl voice." I was like, "Oh, do you have a bobcat? Do you have a bobcat for me?" And then you got the bobcat, and I shot the guy down, and I was like, "I'm actually a man." I'm actually a man. Get scammed. And then yeah, punched him and went back to the lobby. So yeah, I kind of trolled with that. I just love the trolling that you could do on that game, eh? And obviously the loot. From Nevada, Las Vegas is crazy. There is a charity group with helping the homeless there. Yeah, bro. I didn't realize how deep it goes in Vegas, eh? Down in the tunnels there, very private people don't like cameras. Yeah. It's crazy, eh? Crazy, like the living conditions that can make people go into survival mode. But there's like a lot of people down there, eh? I was quite just surprised at how much people are in the tunnels of Vegas, and how they were saying some of us haven't seen the sun in years. I'm like, holy shit, this is like movies, Riddick. And then yeah, I started feeling sorry for them. Because, wow, that, yeah, must have been a hard thing. Must have been a hard thing to go through. Let me know. Will do, my bro. Blessings from Germany. Kia ora, brother. So yes, chat, we have a voice acting opportunity. We will be having a go at voice acting for Magic and Debauchery. Man, that game looks funny. It's basically like a MMO where you can play a wizard or a mage and you can do all the MMO things. Your form of travel is a skateboard and you can smoke a pipe and a cigarette at the same time. I added it to my wish list on Steam. It looks funny, bro. I gotta play it. Just gotta drop this down, chat. So I want it to go down a little bit. It's looking a bit too alfalfa right now. You are so beautiful to me. Classic. Yeah, bro, the medical is a bills in America. Crazy, man. Hey, Chet, isn't The Witcher out this year? Hold on, Chad. I just need to go closer to the Wi-Fi so we can change the song. All right. Where are we? Do you have any goals for the month, broski? I have made some sub goals for the 6-year anniversary. That's pretty much as far as we've gone. Like for myself personally, be more consistent in streaming now that Huckers is finished. Try and get our sub count back up. And keep training for the marathon next month. Kind of put myself in an uncomfortable position, chat. That's kind of how I want to live right now. And I signed up for a marathon. And all my 34 years of living, running has never been an interest to me. But in this age I am in now, it's actually become quite a bit of a hobby, the old running and golf. I now understand why golf is so good. Took me a while. You're all good, bro. Just do your thing, brother. Just do your thing. Running was my thing growing up. Knees don't like me as an older person though. Yeah, bro. Like I try and do at least a half an hour of warm-ups and stretching. And then I'll go for a run. I didn't sign up for a half a marathon or a full. I'm just doing the original marathon for now. Oh. It's the uncle that's got ticks. He's all good. Me and so so the uncle that's got a bit some ticks. He's all good. Like I don't mind them one bit. Me and my daughter were out sitting out the front, and he was walking up the road, like just saying, you know, F you. And then he walked past us and he looked at my daughter and he goes, little bastard. And I just started laughing, like to myself. I didn't want to laugh out loud because I knew it was my daughter. But he walks past every day. He's chill as. I was mixed distance active pacer. Oh yeah, was he wrong? She has her moments. She has her no. She does have her moments. She's getting to the point where she's like clapping back with her responses now, and I'm like, ooh, like my leg's starting to twitch a little bit. I'm like, calm down. Oh, yeah. Both of them though, but our second girl, she's the start punching, ask questions later kind of kid. I'm like, please don't be a bully at school. But I've taught my daughters, you know, defend yourself when someone hits you first. Because that happened to my second girl at school. This boy hit her, and then she looked at me, and then I, you know, and then yeah, she kind of just ran up to him, pulled his arm, put her leg around, and put him in the triangle. And the teacher goes, "What are you doing?" She's just defending herself. And I just told her, "Stop. It's got no chance against you." And yeah, that boy never bullied her again. See, that's just me as a dad. Yeah. Yeah, I dapped her up in the car, you know. It's like, yeah. Well, yeah, that's what I told my daughters from a young age. Do not hit anyone in your life unless you are hit first. But my eldest is a bit, she's real sensitive, eh? So, doesn't really come to that. But the second girl, though, oh my days. Yeah, bro. Because I told the teachers, you know, their first stage, I told them just know that my kids will defend themselves if they're hit first. Because that's what I've taught them. Oh, okay. It's like, you're the only parent that said that. So, oh, well. Like, I want to get my eldest daughter into boxing, but because she's got quite a heavy hand with her punches. Like, she does sparring with me now and again, and yeah, it's got some weight to it. But it's just a matter of her wanting to do it. I'm not gonna push her to it. I will just see if she decides to. I think she'll do pretty great at it. Crap. Broke a bit off. Okay. That is good enough. So just trying to get a definitive like ridge on it. The oldest boy is very, yeah, bro. My daughters are like that too. Like if someone tries to mess with one of them when they're around, they'll stand on business for each other. So I'm happy they're like that. They got each other's backs. And they develop that themselves. So it's like, yo, good on you. Okay, now we come back this way, and then we round the nose. Oh, this angle's a bit yummy. Hold up. Meaning shit. This one's not any better either. Ooh. Glorious work, hope you're well today, my brother. I am doing good today, good sir. Good sir, good sir, good sir. How are you, my bro? Until October? How long has this carving taken? I have no idea. I've finished about 3 offline pieces with this. So yeah, there are some pieces that I can't show. Hey! Big brother Ross, thank you very much for the... Is that 5 quid super chat? Thank you, Yusha. I am doing good, brother Yusha. I'll be honest, the reason why I'm so happy today is because we're outside streaming. That's just my preference, eh? Doing, you know, what I love to do on stream. Don't get me wrong, I do love gaming on stream. But this is what makes me happy to showcase on my channel. And we just got to get rid of that little section in there. But you do keep in mind, chat, it won't be a full stream today just because it's school holidays still. I think while the kids are here this week, it'll just be, it won't be full carving streams, but I do appreciate everyone's presence today too. Yeah, bro, it's just gone into the school holidays. I'll be honest, I'd rather be hunting right now because it is raw season. If you don't know what that is, it is open season, guys. The stags are humming and looking for some tail. But yeah, I'm in town, unfortunately. The stags are out looking to get sticky. Saw this beauty of a spiker on Instagram. Look at this beauty. Look at that beauty. Wow.
making this game called Debauchery.
I bet he tastes good. Yeah, cause our second daughter, she loves hunting too. So I'm gonna try and get her out there. Try and get her out there at some point. Hunting and eeling, chat. That's her thing. She really reminds me a lot of myself. Like a hell of a lot like myself back in the day. When I was with my grandfather. Because that's just some of the fond memories I have of my own grandfather, just hunting all the time. And when she went hunting for the first time, she's like, when are we coming back? So since the season just started, gonna try and get her out there. Get her out there and see if she can crack some more eels. Has she cracked it with the smoker yet? She has tried smoked eel and she was mind blown. Because I was smoking the eel. I was prepping the eel. Put honey and brown sugar on it. And she's like, what are you doing? I was like, let me show you the ways, young blood. And put it in the smoker, and then I told her we leave it for a couple hours, and she's like, ow, but I want to eat it now. And then when it came time to take it out the smoker and she tried it, she was blown away. And now she loves eating eel. What's up, my hut? Hey, big brother Sturdy, how you been, brother? A sucker. Oh, is it ass sucker? A sucker? Thank you very much for being on Grove Street. How are you? Ooh, okay. Our grain's going that way. How you been, Sturdy? Yeah, so our second daughter's real outdoorsy, and I love that. I really love that. Trying to raise my kids to have fun outside and not on a fucking iPad. I hate that, man. Been alright, bro. How are you? Are you sure? You message me if you want a yarn. I'm not convinced. You already know. Message me, my bro. I'm always around. Yeah, so her first deer she got, it was, I think it was a 16 pointer. And she gave the wreck to one of my grandfathers in our hometown. She didn't want to keep it. She's like, I want it to be here in the bush. It's like, phew, check you out. I know, brother. I appreciate you. No, all good, my bro. Because I told her, you don't have to do this, but usually tradition is when you shoot your first stag, you eat the heart. And she took a bite and she went, ew, it's warm. It's like, would you rather it be cold? This is just the way of life that I wanted to teach her. But what did you think when they replaced Henry Cavill? I'll be honest, I saw it. Geralt does not feel the same, you know? Doesn't feel the same, and I understand the reasons why he left, which is why I'm on his side. He left because they weren't sticking to how he was in the books in the game. I understand the game, but I'm not too sure about the Witcher books because he's just like us, eh? He loves the game, and I 100% respect that that reasoning for him wanting to leave because they weren't sticking to the law of it all. That's just how Hollywood is. They like to mix it up. So yeah, I haven't watched the latest Witcher. I just couldn't watch it. It just didn't feel the same. No offense to Little Thor, whatever. What's his name? Chris Hemsworth. Liam Hemsworth, is it? Liam Hemsworth, eh? Because now he's doing Warhammer, eh? He's the lead producer for Warhammer. Rewind, thank you, brother. Did you make a new mallet? No, this was the big one, my bro. So I had to shave it down when I went to Aussie. Yeah, I had to shave it down and take all the marks off. So yeah, this is their big boy mallet that I had. Still, it's still got a bit of weight to it, but yeah. Hey, chill, my bro. How you been? Congrats on making it to Matatini too, my bro. I didn't end up going out there, not because tired. You're too tired, my bro. It's always good to see everybody, eh? How you been, my bro? What you been up to? I thought I could hear an eagle in my chat. Been released to the public around October. Oh, okay. Off to be at work tomorrow. It's 11:45 here in Essex, UK. Big respect. Hey, much love, brother. Have a good sleep, eh? Thank you for watching the YouTube stream, my bro. Good, bro. Oh, nice, my bro. How have you been? Busy, my bro. Busy as. Just getting ready for Rotorua Marathon now. Just trying to keep myself busy and keep moving, brother. Trying to do stuff out of my comfort zone, eh? I challenge everyone in the chat to do that this year. Like I mentioned earlier, this fella has never been into running, but now he is. I'm live on YouTube and Kick as well. Normally we'd have TikTok, but I need to get a new tripod because my daughter used the TikTok one as a whack everything toy and it broke. So yeah, that was yummy. That was yummy. Love that. Lucky it was only a Kmart one. Also, chat, I've officially hit the 119. When is the marathon? Next month. Next month, my bro. Quite a few people from the group are doing it. Which reminds me, guys, I gotta go get me some shoes today. Hopefully try and get a run in today. Gonna kind of take a pause on doing weights for a while, or just for this month. Like, not as much. Redeem the hydrator. Okay. Okay, let me just go and get some water. So, I have hortata. I have the hortata, chat. Some for the homies as well. Pretty overcast down there. Yeah, my bro, I'm still risking it for the biscuit. However, I have put washing on the line. Beggars can't be choosers, and I do not want to waste money at the laundromat. Hell no. Hell no. Hey, sup, doggo? How you been, my bro? So just leveling out this brow because it's a bit yummy. Oi! The picture is bent over here, brother. It's bent over here. Oh, okay. I thought you said bent over. I was like, ooh, woo. Much love, brother. Rewind. Thank you for the $2 super chat. You know you could have said that without that, right? All good, brother. I'm good, my bro. I'm good. Weekend's over. Just really the hard part is just planning what to do with the kids through the school holidays. Especially with the gas the way it is too. It's a bit of a hard one. Joe by the balloon! How are you, good sir? How are you? Holy shit, Brox is looking trim. Oh, thank you, Griff. Yeah, so I've in October in October I started a calorie deficit along with training as well, and we started at 146 and now we are sitting at 120. Yeah, 120 is pretty much what we're sitting at right now. There. Here it is. The only hard part is though I still got a bit of an ass. That's the hardest part to lose, man, the ass. 26 kg, yeah, bro. So the goal is to be between 100 and 110. So that's where I'd like to sit comfortably, anywhere within that range. The lowest I'll ever want to go is 95. I don't want to be too light because I'll feel yuck. The lowest I've ever been is 85, and I look like, I felt like I was Smeagol. That's how I felt like. But that's because I was partying every weekend, not doing anything through my nose or anything, just beer and not eating. Yeah, none of that, okay? Sucks being 50 to 60. Is that how heavy you are? I haven't been 85 since I was 40. Yeah, last time I was 85 kgs, I was 23. And there was a part of my life where I was on the piss every weekend, pretty much. Hey, Ghosty, how you doing? That's 120 in the marks. Hey. But it's all good. I'm 98, 14 years, 6'2". Oh, because you're big. Ah, imagine being that tall. Nah, good on you, my bro. Ah, you're 14. It's polygenetics, eh, my bro? What's the so called? Taro and corned beef, that's what. Ah, that actually sounds kind of yum. That's why I want to start growing my own taro, because I love palusami. What are you making today? So we're just shaping out the face for this heitiki today. Well, one side is what we're working on. How you, what you been up to, Lego? Have you been looking after yourself, Toko? One thing I want to try though is really horsey. Down from 119 to 96. Wow, that's mean, bro. That's mean as. So pretty much like training wise, what I've been doing is just a lot of functional movement stuff, eh? From walking to running to swimming, and then going to the gym and doing my lifts as well. I don't really use the treadmill for running at the gym because fuck, boring. Rather be outside. I'd rather be outside doing that kind of stuff. Okay. How are we going to round this section? Very dry over here. No CP that's giving the... Yes, Toko. Be like that, be like that. Like when I went to Australia last year, one of the bros hooked it up with some palusami and everything. You can go and watch the vlog on his YouTube channel. I'm going to shout him out. Kef's Vlogs. Shout out to my boy Solly Kefs. And weight's back up to 90. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think these days, in terms of lifting, I want to get into more that that Olympic style lifting that everyone does in is it snatching? I think that what it's called. A lot of the bros were telling me come jam some high rocks or some CrossFit. I think I'd rather do CrossFit just because it's has more to it. Because you're gonna be good all round at a lot of things in CrossFit, in my opinion. Stop my man. Alright, Tuko, alright. I'll put a round in here. Right here. Going against the grain. Stick the round in there. Damn. Surely. I had a few knee ops, stopped me from doing Olympic stuff, but slow, steady progress. Yeah, brother. Remember, it's not a race, my bro, it's a journey. What can I say? What am I gonna do? Also, chat, there may not be a nighttime stream on Wednesday. We have a meeting. I've got a meeting with the Cuppa group. Because there may be an opportunity to go overseas. And I don't know if I'm going to go. Because stream. But I remember the streamer. But there may be an opportunity to go to Italy. just putting the angle on the mouth now. Oh, Chet, I saw this nanny, this old lady with a chow chow yesterday. Going overseas this current about as interesting times. It's around October. They're looking at. But it's still early days for me, because I still, my main focus now that Cuppers is done is to focus on the stream and my family, of course. Because I pretty much told the Haka group, once Compass is over, I go back to focusing on my stream. Alright, get their pizza. How's your Easter? I was chill as my bro. Nothing too crazy went on. Just chilling out with the fams. Yeah, just chilling out with the fams, my bro, and just enjoying everyone's time. Okay. So you can see the face is slowly starting to take shape now. So we got the mouth here. Got the mouth there. Two. Oi! Yo, JT! Hey, my brother, hope you're doing well, man. You and the fans? Good to see you again, my bro. I have now joined the club, good sir. I have now joined the club. I am starting to play golf as well. I understand now. I understand. I absolutely love it, my bro. Absolutely love it. Hold up. My nose needs to come in more on this side. Congrats, golf is harsh. As a harsh mistress. Yeah, I was looking on Facebook Marketplace for some clubs. And quite a lot of people have them, so it's just a matter of finding the right ones for me. I'm left-handed, but I swing on the right. So I'd probably need to look for right-hand clubs, right? Thank you very much once again, my bro, for the 71-month arenas. Oh, really? Oi, okay. I love that. I love that. Well, that's huge too, because apprenticeships are hard to come by these days, eh? Mean, bro. Oh, well, either way, man, you know I'll help you out regardless of what I know. Hello there, J-Rad. Yo, morning Battle Tanker, you watched the new One Piece ep? No, I haven't. But I did see some shorts for it. I pretty much watch One Piece when all the cool fight scenes turn up. Shanks is a badass, eh? One of my favorite crew member in Shanks's crew is Ben Beckman. He's my favorite crewmate in his crew. So it's still with the university, so I would lose my years of service to 4 years. No shop journeyman. Oh, mean bro. When you crack it, bro, cancel your sub too. Bro, he looks trash in the live action, eh? Beck. I just finished watching the live action last night. It was cool. It was cool as. Bro, the actor who plays Zoro, fuck, he looks stacked, Peptide Lord, bro. He looked good. He looked really good. I forgot how sad Chopper meeting Chopper was. I have a golf ball business where I go to the golf courses to find golf balls and resell them. True, mean bro, at 14. That's on, my bro. Good on you. Love to see it, my bro. Well done. Do you dive in the ponds too? Gas prices are ultra OP, good sir. I was just wondering what to put in my stream title, so I just thought, current subject of the day, of the year so far, gas prices. So to electric car owners, do you guys have to pay for power to charge your car? All good, Lego. Have a good sleep, eh? See you around, Toko. I want to see if my kids are keen to go to the driving range. I'm surprised none of them have come outside yet. Just to be them. Ooh. I'll get you on the mic up. I'm waiting for my Kiwi saver to give me my money so I can get a car. Oh, W, my bro. W. Hey now, how am I gonna clean this section when it's in a shitty spot, bro? Bugluck's going to the driving range, she's even got her own set. Oh, that's cool, that's cool. They've got golf classes for kids here, and Sparky has shown interest. And that's the energetic second child of mine, chat. That's one of her names, Sparky. It's gonna flick you a message. Yeah, flick me a message, my bro. All good. I'm only doing 2 hours today because yeah, being school holidays and all. 2 hour legs for now, chat. Just so I can go and enjoy the day with the kids. That nose is way too small. As long as they don't find it fun, then as long as they find it fun, then I have fun. Yeah, bro. Hard out, bro. I'm exactly the same. Same with Sparky and her jiu-jitsu. I only let her do it because she started having fun with it. And it's helped her so much with her confidence. She's like confident as now in anything she does. Like she'll just give it a go without worrying about failing. And I'm happy for her that she's like that now. Because that's all I ever wanted her to be is just confident in herself. Trust in herself. Yeah, now that the netball season is over, she's kind of focusing more on her jiu-jitsu, and she wants to play basketball at school and golf. Okay, so there's a little bump over here that needs to be taken out in order to have a nice shaped head on this. So that is something else that we're going to have to work on as we move forward. I really want to do a maintenance stream, man. When shall I do that though? Makes me feel old. Those girls were babies, not yeah, bro. Now look at them. They're very opinionated, talkback kids. They're little shiitake mushrooms when they want to be. Big time. Then over here, round that a bit more. Round that off a bit more. Down here. So I'm just marking places that will need to cut a bit more off, okay? So there's one section here, just in the corner here, and another over here. This one on the mouth here. I enjoy the stream, but I need to get... No, you're fine, you're fine. I fully understand, my bro. I will see you next time, eh? How long have you been doing this for? Whakairo, I have been doing since I was 12. 12 years old, my bro. Ooh, we better be careful. Look at that. Shirt. I didn't know I kind of knew we didn't have much wood there. Oh well, we'll see what happens. Yeah, that ain't much. So I'm just looking over it at the moment. Yeah. Engineering school. Oh, true. But I'm off with... Hey, just keep going, brother. You just gotta keep going, my bro. small round. No, I'm in Aotearoa, Maori. No, you're right. That's where I live, my brother. And that's where I will always live, good sir. Will not move anywhere else. Because I don't want to. I don't know, like, I wouldn't want to live in another country I'm not from. Kind of thing. That's just me. What's up, Vanguard? How you doing? Bear here. YouTube, I may finish up the YouTube stream. Very shortly. But to those on YouTube, thank you very much for tuning in. I appreciate you. You're not going too long today, okay? So for now, YouTube, much love. Have a good day, okay?